Well, I don't have a private detective, but isn't this cute? Wearing a jacket with nothing underneath. That's not cute. It's sexy. It's sexy to wear a jacket with nothing underneath. No, I'm not really wearing this because I want to be sexy. It's just that I don't want to get my clothes dirty. I don't have a way to wash my clothes being trapped in this hotel room. And I realized in 4 days it will have been 4 months that I've been trapped in here. And I have a sore throat, and I've been coughing up mucus with blood. But I asked the pendulum, and I am not going to call 911.